Okay, it's time to do a speed run on the M06 from Tamiya, and I have this body on it, Herbie the Love Bug. So let's do a quick speed run on this and have some fun. All right, let's see how fast Herbie the Love Bug can go on 2S. This is stock motor that came with the M06 and running on 2S. It's way over there. I am running a Spectrum remote on this, but that doesn't matter. It wants to pull. It wants to pull to the right. No, to the left. So I always got to bring it back. Yeehaw! Pull the body off and see how fast it went. There we go, 20 miles an hour. Same thing as the M03 that I tried the other day. So 20 miles an hour looks like is the speed of the Tamiya. And I believe the TT01 and TT02 are about the same speed. So it looks like they all have pretty much the same gearing. I will test out the TT01 and TT03. That's Herbie the Love Bug. Guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. And don't forget, go charge up some battery, go break something, because if you're not breaking anything, you're not having any fun. Cheers, guys.